Wow. Thank God.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, you doing good?
Yes.
You know what? I'm after somebody. Do you understand? I'm looking for Mr. Dumako.
Senior, don't talk to my brother. He don't know how to speak English. Yes. Me know better than him. So talk to me. No. I can respond you.
And I understand small. You know what? I'm looking for Mr. Dumako. Do you know him?
Mr. Dumako.
The land dealer. He sells plot of lands and stuff. You understand?
Company. Okay, Mr. Dumako. Do a ton plot.
I want to get you.
Yes.
What do you want?
You need him.
You know him?
Yes, Mr. Dumako.
Take me to Mr. Dumako, man. Let me tell you something.
Yes.
We are brothers.
Yes.
We don't have money.
Yes.
Oh, the time we will take you there.
Yes.
You must give us money. Yes. All because we will take you there.
Yes.
Guys, you got no problem. Do you understand? I'll get some money in here. You take me over there. You little boys, I'm gonna give you $1 bill. That's okay, right?
You have the little guys. I got $1. So what can I be one them? I sit one seat in class 1. Hear me. I'm already finished. I take my body degree.
What's it then?
Your partner and company. Yeah, qua. Obey me $1. Yeah, child, please. And
let me tell you something. You are more than by the fool you.
Let me teach you something. You are wrong. This is my senior brother.
You little boy want to teach me something?
My senior brother born too.
Yes.
First born older than you.
You got no problem. You understand? You take me there, I'm going to give you some money. Yeah. Hello, guys.
Let's go. Move. Me. I know him. My brother knows him.
Yeah, take me there.
Yes.
Do you understand? Yeah, take me there.
Now play. I got there. I was there. You can't say subscribe. I saw you.
You want to take me there? We'll block all this money. I don't know what you mean. Pay us. I to pay you? You want Hello, Freeman. Yeah, I want to see Mr. Dumako. I'm looking for Mr. Dumako.
I'm looking for Mr. Dumako. I'm looking for Mr. Dumako.
You are looking for Mr. Dumako? Yeah. You know what it is about everything.
Mr. Dumako.
And I'm looking for Mr. Dumako. What do you do? You come here in what's mission? You are looking for Dumako? Yeah, I've been going around with this guy, round, walking around. Classic now with three. Who not pressure? And then I come home, son. Then I can. No, you know, I want to establish some businesses over here, and I want to see Mr. Dumako. I have to go back to the city, right? Please, could you help me out? Do you know him? Yeah, I know Mr. Dumako. Yes. You know him? I know. Yes. You take me to him. Do you understand? I want to establish some businesses over here. Do you understand? Master, and I'm I'm from America. Do you understand? What about them? Okay, I'm a Ghanaian, do you understand? And I was born in Accra, and I was taken to America. You born in Accra? Accra. And I can't say Accra, no. It's 22 Accra. I understand small, do you understand?
You did not say the dear Numbi, but I can't payment, Nankasaman.
Over to Yamaka.
$100.
But what Bonica?
Bonica, I can't say the Bitriaca.
And your dreams. And your dreams. Somewhere the moody and your monk.
Flema.
Hello, Frema. Go, I'm starting this business. You give me the money, let's go. Yeah, I'm running out of time. Let's go now. Mongo. Hey, Dungo. Dungo.
You know what? I'm running out of time. Do you understand? I have to go back to the city.
But give me money.
You want money? Yeah, I've got some money over here. I'm gonna give you some money if you go show me Mr. Tomacon.
Money now.
Fremont, you know, I'm running out of time. Do you understand?
And
we have to go now.
If you're running, just down in your knees. Down.
What? What do you mean?
I know must get go pay.
I don't mean you're going down and running. I mean
you're running the end to me enough. Once you're to America, you are running, go down.
We have to hurry up, do you understand?
Hurry.
Yeah.
Madam will be schoolmate with you. Hurry. I'm sure you, Mr. Adumako.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, walk. Before you say running, so maybe